Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix Instagram suspended account. Now if you are not being able to recover your suspended account of Instagram and you don't know how to fix it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to find about it. So let's begin with the video. Now if you are facing the problem of Instagram account not being able to recover, then you need to go on App Store and make sure that your Instagram account is up to date. So search Instagram and see if there is any update available. If you see the option of update, then click on it to update on a device. So after that, open Instagram on a device and make sure that you are logged into any other account or any external account which you are trying and make sure that you know the username and password of the account which you are trying to recover. So after that, click on the profile icon at the very bottom right and click on three straight lines at the top. Now you will see option like settings, your account, archive, QR code and so on. So click on the option of settings and under account you will see the option of help. Click on it and you will see the option like report a problem, account status and so on. Click on the first option which is report a problem. Now you can check your phone to report a problem, or you may also continue without report problem without checking. Click on it. Now if you want to include logs and diagnostic, click on include and continue, and if you don't want it, click on don't include and continue. Now you need to simply briefly explain what happened or what's not working. So simply explain that you are trying to recover your suspended account and simply upload the screenshot of the page where you are trying to recover your account but it's not working. So after that, you make sure that you click on the option of send at the very top right to fix the Instagram suspended account. So that's it. That's how you can fix Instagram suspended account not working on your iPhone. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.